Wait. You're telling me that in tonight's planetary alignment, one of us is literally spinning in the wrong direction? Like, the sun rises in the west instead of the east? How is that even possible?
February 28th, 2026 is the biggest planetary parade in over a decade. 6 of us visible from Earth in one arc across the sky. But Mercury's right. One of us has been keeping a very strange secret.
It has to be Saturn, right?
Those rings are so elaborate, they must be spinning the wrong way or something!
Darling, my rings orbit in perfect harmony with my rotation. I'm quite normal, thank you. Though at 170,000 miles wide and only 30 feet thick, I am exceptionally elegant.
My winds blow at 2,200 kilometers per hour in the opposite direction of my rotation.
Does that count as backwards? That's 15 times stronger than my most powerful hurricanes.
Actually, if we're talking backwards, I should mention that I don't spin at all. I roll. My axial tilt is 98 degrees. I'm literally on my side.
Hold on, you're basically upside down. That means your poles face the sun instead of your equator.
Because of my tilt, each pole experiences 42 Earth years of continuous sunlight,
Followed by 42 years of complete darkness.
My summer and winter last longer than most of you have orbited the sun.
84 years per season? That's absolutely insane!
Uranus, darling, rolling on your side is impressive, but I'm the one actually spinning backwards. While everyone else rotates counterclockwise, I rotate clockwise. I'm the true rebel here. Thanks to my retrograde rotation, if you stood on my surface, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Everything you know about directions?
Flipped. Wait, west? That breaks like fundamental.
And here's where it gets really wild. It takes me 243 Earth days to complete one single rotation on my axis.
But you orbit the sun in only 224 days. Your day is longer than your year.
Exactly. 2 Earth years equal approximately 3 Venusian solar days. If you celebrated a birthday every Venusian day, you'd age backwards compared to celebrating every Venusian year.
This is breaking my understanding of how time works. How do you even keep track of anything?
I spin in the opposite direction from everyone. That's the definition of backwards.
But I'm tilted so far over that I'm technically upside down.
And sideways.
My North Pole is where my equator should be.
Here's the thing, you two. Neither of you started out this way. The early solar system was violent. Giant collisions were common. Something massive changed both of you billions of years ago.
Venus likely experienced a giant impact, or her thick atmosphere and solar tidal forces gradually reversed her spin over billions of years. Uranus was knocked sideways by massive collisions, or
had a moon that tilted him before crashing.
Wait a minute. So we have Venus spinning backwards, Uranus rolling sideways, Neptune with impossible winds, and Saturn with paper-thin rings. Is this alignment special because you're all so weird?
Earth might be onto something here.
Darling, you've discovered something profound. This alignment is remarkable not despite our oddities, but because of them. Each of us represents billions of years of violent, chaotic, beautiful evolution. We're not broken. We're survivors.
So yeah, something absolutely massive crashed into Venus billions of light years ago
And literally flipped her spin around. It was a bump. A very small bump.
Oh, one more thing. This whole lineup doesn't happen again until 2040, so...
14 years? What if I forget? Someone write this down.
42-year winters and you still showed up tonight. That takes guts.
And you spent 4 billion years pretending you were normal. That takes a lot of lying.
Hey! Can we talk about me for a second? I've got the tallest volcano in the entire solar system, Olympus Mons. It makes Earth's biggest mountain look like a speed bump.
Nobody asked, Mars, but sure, go off.
So tonight, 6 planets, 1 line.
One spinning backwards, one completely on his side, one with winds that could rip you apart.
And we all just showed up, like it's fine.
It is fine. We've been doing this for 4 billion years. Tonight, we just finally have an audience.
Okay, so, I thought you were all broken earlier. You're not. You're just, weird. In a good way. Venus, you're actually kinda cool now, and I will absolutely deny saying that if anyone asks.
Venus spins backwards. Sun rises in the west, which still makes no sense, by the way. Her day is longer than her year. How? Uranus is just laying down for billions of years. Neptune has winds that could strip your atmosphere clean off. And all 6 of them just casually showed up tonight. Am I insane, or is this insane? Someone tell me.
So wait, everyone just watch 6 planets have a total breakdown, argue about who's the weirdest, and then just stand in a line.
Like that was the plan the whole time. Was that the plan the whole time?
You won't want to miss this. Mark your calendars for February 28, 2026, because we're about to witness an incredible alignment.
Okay, I have a confession. I've been secretly electrocuting things on my surface for billions of years, and literally nobody noticed until last month. Surprise! I knew it! I've been hearing weird crackling sounds near you for years, and everyone said I was paranoid. But no, you've literally been a walking taser this whole time! What else are you hiding, Mars? Mercury, you were right. My Perseverance rover caught Mars red-handed with 55 electrical zaps over 2 years. My little rover is basically the CSI investigator of space. Mars, you're grounded. Wait, you're already grounded. Never mind.
Oh, wow! Mars has lightning! How original! Let me see these epic bolts of fury. Oh wait, I don't see anything because apparently his lightning is invisible and tiny. How very convenient! Next you'll tell me he has an atmosphere too.
At least I shave an atmosphere, Venus, and my dust devils are 8 kilometers tall, spinning at 99 miles per hour.
You've got thousands of electric tornado parties happening every day. You're just jealous because your surface is hot enough to melt lead and you've got nothing fun happening.
All right, children, science time. It's called triboelectric charging. Mars dust particles are basically having angry bumper car competitions in his atmosphere. They rub together, electrons jump around, and boom, zappy zappy time. It's like when you shuffle across carpet in fuzzy socks, except Mars does it with rocks.
Wait, there's more. Plot twist incoming. Mars' atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's, which means he needs way less charge to make lightning happen. Not weaker, he's efficient. It's like he's playing the game on easy mode.
Venus, you just got served by atmospheric physics.
Okay, Mars, we need to talk. My astronauts want to visit you soon and walk around collecting rocks. Are they gonna get zapped like they touched a doorknob after Black Friday shopping? Because I'd like to keep them unelectrocuted if possible. That's kind of my whole thing.
You want to hear something creepy? In 1971, the Soviet Mars 3 lander mysteriously died after exactly 20 seconds. Some scientists think I accidentally electrocuted it. I might be an accidental spacecraft killer. Whoops.
Darlings, the real tea here is that Mars won't dramatically strike down astronauts with lightning.
Instead, he'll slowly annoy their equipment to death with constant little static zaps. Like having a coworker who microwaves fish every day. Quietly problematic.
And here's where it gets scientifically depressing.
These electrical discharges create oxidizing compounds.
Based on what we know, those compounds could destroy organic molecules on Mars' surface. So Mars might be accidentally cleaning up all the evidence of ancient life like he's some kind of interplanetary crime scene eraser.
Awkward?
Oh my stars! So you're saying the first heroic astronaut steps onto Mars, reaches for the flag, and then BAM! Instant lightning death on live television. Billions watching. The drama, the tragedy, the ratings.
Venus, you're being ridiculous. Again.
These mini lightning bolts are only a few centimeters long with energy like a car spark plug.
An astronaut won't get dramatically struck down for television ratings. The real danger is to sensitive electronics. So less dramatic death scene and more annoying IT problem. Much less exciting than you're imagining.
I'm officially in the Electrically Active Planets Club with Earth, Jupiter, and Saturn. Do you know how exclusive that club is?
My dust storms are throwing millions of invisible lightning rays every single day, and I didn't even know it! I went from being the boring neighbor planet to being literally electric! This is the coolest thing since that one rover drew a... Never mind! Okay, the whole wild story. Perseverance caught Mars generating 55 electrical zaps in dust devils over 2 years. Mars' super thin atmosphere makes static sparks happen at 100 times lower voltage than mine. The mini lightning is only centimeters long.
That mini lightning might have killed Mars 3 back in '71 and could mess with future equipment.
Here's the wildest part nobody's talking about. Scientists estimate Mars is probably generating millions of invisible electrical discharges across his surface every single day, and literally nobody noticed for 4 billion years.
We got a major celestial mystery. Time to solve the sun's secret color.
All right, team. Let's get to work.
You look yellow to me, son. Every morning.
And afternoon.
It's just a fact.
Me? Yellow? The ultimate source of all light? How dare you! Look closely, Earth. I emit every color of light at the same intensity. When you mix all colors of light together, what do you get? Pure white.
If you're white, why do I see you as yellow?
Am I colorblind? That's your fault, Earth. Your beautiful, thick atmosphere is actually acting like a giant color filter.
Me? It's my fault?
Yes, you! Your atmosphere scatters shorter, bluer wavelengths of light. That's why your sky is blue. What's left to reach your surface is the longer, redder, yellower light.
And that's why my thick, glorious atmosphere looks so perfectly orange. It's simply gorgeous.
Wait a minute. That's why the sunsets and sunrises are so red and orange.
Precisely. When my light travels through more of your atmosphere at an angle, even more blue light is scattered away, leaving behind those magnificent reds and oranges. It's all about atmospheric filtering. So as a summary, the sun is truly white light, but Earth's atmosphere scatters the blue light everywhere. And that's what's making the sky blue, leaving only the yellow and red light to hit our surface.
That's the secret color of our star.
I'm so done. My life is just a never-ending, tilted mess.
Buddy, you look scorched. You've been tilted with the sun facing your pole for months. You should have rotated into autumn by now.
Oh no, Neptune. My seasons last for 21 Earth years. I forgot how long my summer is.
Your extreme axial tilt, dear. That means your North Pole gets 21 straight years of direct sun.
Stop staring. It's not my fault. I didn't ask to spin like this.
It wasn't your fault. Billions of years ago, something huge smashed right into you, knocking you onto your side. That impact is why you're a rolling mess.
Wow. So I'm not clumsy, I'm just incredibly resilient.
Yeah, you're not clumsy. You're just doing the cosmic equivalent of a permanent cartwheel.